Hi, in this video I will show you whole setup process of your iGPSport cycling computer. When you will open your iGPSport cycling computer, you will see and turn it on. You will see the first screen just like that, and you need to choose the language. Confirm it by pressing this button on the right side. Then you need to choose your time zone. We will go +1. Then you have a QR code to download the app on your phone, and then you need to select the units. We'll scroll down to the metric, confirm, and that's all. Your iGPSport cycling computer is set up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.